All right, welcome back to the show. What I got for you guys this afternoon, I got one more plant to transplant because it's in a little tiny pot. And also I got some other ones that are getting close, like this one here. This is my cabbage. It's gonna have to get transplanted real soon. This is only 1 gallon, so these are getting big, and there's many seeds that I planted into one location, and this plant is starting to dry up fairly quickly each day. Same with this tomato here. So once something starts drying up, really quickly, if you're having to water it every day, it probably means it's time to transplant. Over here, this one has still got plenty of time. There's no reason to transplant this one yet. You can see that it's not really that big. Over here I got another one of those cabbages. Got some lettuces growing in the ground, which is good because you got more space for the roots to grow, but disadvantage is that you can't pick it up for weight. So like this plant, I can pick it up and feel what the weight is. I got some carrots mixed in with some lettuces, but the smaller the pot in general, the quicker it's going to dry up, especially when the plant gets bigger. And these are drying up pretty quickly as well. These would have been better off in some in some bigger pots now as well. And most of my fertilization is actually in a liquid form, so I'm doing like a compost tea, worm tea type of thing. So the nutrients in the soil will eventually run out in a small pot unless you're constantly giving it more nutrients. So this one right here is the one that I want to transplant. So what you want to do is